Okay, so I am going to go over my process of photographing. Now, this might look familiar to you. In one post I talked about this particular sweater vest, but what I do generally is I take down my half mannequin, put it over just like you're dressing a baby doll, or you're dressing your child. Just put it over the head, whatever it is. Just think of this mannequin as a person, basically. So I am putting it over top. Then hanging it on the mannequin. Now, I want to show the full length of this, so I pull that out completely. Now, obviously it doesn't have arms, the mannequin, but that's why I show on my photos on pieces, all of my pieces. I'll do a front shot. I'll do some close-ups. If there's pilling, I like to kind of show some of that, like in this case, right? Then I do a side view. And you can see how this could work as a man or woman's because, you know, it's a small mannequin, so it just provides just enough form to show how it looks. Now, if it's something that's hand knit like this, I will show the underside so that they can see that. Then I turn it around, and this is very lightweight, this little mannequin, and easy to use. So I love it so much. Got it for 20 bucks on Facebook with the stand. Then I take a back photo, and that's pretty much it. Now, if there was any flaws other than the pilling, which I don't really see on this piece, I would take a photo of it. Say if there was a hole right here, I would show it close up, you know. And then maybe a close-up of the knit. And that's it. And then the only other photos that you will take is once you take it off. Any tags that you see. Make sure they're nice and clear because people want to read those tags. Okay, now we will be talking, and we have talked before, but we will be talking more about what to look for on tags for value. So any other tags on the inside? No. Another thing too with knits, while I'm talking about it, look and see if there's side seams because it affects the value. If you have side seams on the inside, or if it's just one piece with no seams. Just a little note. Anyway, that's how I would photograph something like this. Hope that was helpful. Also, you might be able to switch on and off your flash just depending on, so this is what it would look like with the flash. For the most part though, I find that the ones without the flash I like better, and then maybe if I need to bring the brightness up, I'll do that. Happy posting.